guess what, guys? Got another starter motor for you. I know you love the start videos. Look what we got here. Check that bad mama jammer out. We got ourselves a little Citroën C3. Getting on, you don't see many of these anymore, do you? But I'll do you a little step by step for this, because there's probably going to be loads of people that are like, could do with a video on this online. One that's straightforward. But anyway, right, so what we need to do, we're going to take that out. I don't know if we need to take that out, to be honest with you, because I've got to jack it up first, have a look at the bottom. And then we're going to get underneath. Obviously, disconnect your battery on this, so we're going to take this off here. And all you're going to do, just flip that up, pop that off, get your battery disconnected, get that out of your way, because I'm sure there'll be a bolt in the way. And we'll go underneath, unbolt it, pull it out, see you later. So, stay tuned, let's go. So as you'll see, we're trying to get Harry used to being on camera. It's not going well so far, but it's getting better. But what we are actually doing is we're just going to check the engine obviously is actually earthing, and we've got power to the starter and all that good stuff. So that's what we're using the power probe for right now, so check it out.
Main 12 volts.
So we've got 12 volts
to the motor.
Down to the starter motor.
And then what we can do
probe.
is probe the exciter wire. If I can get it. I can't get it. I can't get it. Can't get it. Sorry. Sorry, people.
So Harry's just quickly going to show you that he's probing the starter motor to show you that it's dead. And yeah, I was talking to myself a second ago, and yeah, that didn't work out well, so I had to dub over this. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, smoked.
Well, starter motor. I was going to say alternator then. I was about to say alternator, but it's a starter motor.
What is it? Is it smoked?
It's froged.
Smoked. Absolutely smoked.
Hang on, I look at you when I'm talking into the camera.
What are you looking at me for?
I don't know.
You should be looking at that. You know what I mean? You should be looking at you guys. And while you're there, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget. I'll wait 1 second. Are you going to wait as well? Let's wait.
I don't know, it's just weird looking into that, talking to people.
Oh, if you hit that subscribe, yeah, nice one. I
know you ain't going to put that on, but...
Are you sure? He's not quite sure. Anyway, let's carry on. Right, let me just show you. There's a couple of 13 mils you got to get off. See if we can get the camera up there somewhere. There's your starter. That's not too bad to get to, is it? Oh, look, 2 13 mils there. He's actually doing it. He's doing it, kid. From above. Wow.
I'm doing it.
I didn't even need to go under it, did I really?
What, I ended up doing it all before.
Well, I did a 206 not long ago from the top, actually. You say that. You say that. I did one.
Shit. Drop bolt.
Well done. Can you get to that other bolt? There's another bolt at the bottom of it. Yeah, right, keep going, keep going. I'll get the camera back up there. Oh, there we go, look, there's the other bolt. He's going to take that one off. This is nice. I don't even have to do anything. I don't even know why I jacked the car up, to be honest with you.
How many bolts are in it? 3?
I'm guessing so. Can you wiggle it? Will it wiggle now? There must be one, yeah, I think there's one threaded from your side. Yeah, it's going to come out the top, that is. 100%. So take that bottom bolt off, and you've also got up here, you've got the connections on the back of the starter there. If you see those. Get those off as well. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and all that malark stuff, and what do you mean? You know, not that difficult. Right, so where you're looking down here, see the end of my spanner? Can't really show you, it's kind of hard to see. Down there is the other starter motor bolt. You need to take that out, and then you're pretty much good to go. So all we've got to do, whip this last bolt out. Job's good, really. So I'm going to do that. I'll be back with you. Oh, yeah. Ratchet spanner. Get one. You need one. Get one. You need one. There we go. Look at that. That's what you need. Get yourself an extension like that. That's a bit better.
And invest in a miniature ratchet.
Well, just get any ratchet, really. It just happens to be I've got a miniature ratchet in my hand, really, bro.
They're handy.
They are handy. Yeah, always buy a miniature ratchet. They are one of your best friends. I ain't going to lie to you. This is going to go. Is that bolt not out? Oh, it is out. Okay. What are you hanging on to?
Wow. Here's the one that we saw on.
Oh, the one that we saw on. Exactly that one that we saw on.
Yeah, there's a wire on the starter. Yeah, just going to take the starter motor out without taking the wire off.
There we go.
As you do, delivering the baby.
Oh! Oh God, it's so heavy! Oh, it's too much! smells a bit burnt, you know. I'm going to say it's been broken for about a couple of days. I'm going to say 2 days and 13 hours and 3 minutes to be exact. Okay, great show. Let's get the new one in. So I'm going to teach you a little trick as well. So this one here is how you bench test your starter motor. So you can test your old one and we're going to test the new one as well. So I've got 2 sets of jump leads, one to earth it, one for the main power 12 volts, and then I'm going to use my little power probe. If you ain't got a power probe, use a screwdriver or a piece of wire to bridge it. But check this out, let's see if it's dead. Dead. So not working, you know that's dead. So now we'll swap over to here, earth, and we'll get this onto our main feed, which is this one here.
The bigger one?
The big one. And then we'll get onto here. Ready? Hear that? Lovely.
Go for it.
See? Look at that. Beauty. That's how you bench test it. So, main power to the big lug on the back, and then you can earth it on the body of the starter, wherever you want. And that's how you bench test it as well. So just so you can confirm your thing's working before you stick it in, and also confirm your old one is 100% dead while it's on the ground, because a lot of you aren't going to test these while they're on the car. But there you go. That's how we do it. So anyway, let's get our new one in. Same way as we took it out. You ready, guys? Going to deliver the baby. Whoa! Should I just throw it at it? You know, if I just go, whoa, just huff it at it. Job done, innit?
It was delivered, actually.
Hang on a minute,
You
hang on a
delivered
minute.
the baby.
I did deliver the baby, you're right. Let's take these nuts and bolts off.
Don't like it, so you're giving it back.
Let's take these off real quick because they're going to be in our way otherwise, aren't they? Take your nuts off. Take your nuts off. Taking your nuts off. Taking your nuts off. You have a 10 up here, did you? Was it an 8? Oh, I got it. It was loose anyway. Oh, goodness. Get off. What? What happened now, mate? Whoop. Hello. Oh, baby. You going in? You going in? Get on your dowel. It's nice. It's got a dowel though. That's pleasant, isn't it? How pleasant is that? Say it's pleasant. Pleasant. Where's the other bolts actually? This one of the bolts? Any bolt? All bolts? Don't really matter. So you can do this job from the top. Don't even have to go underneath, to be honest with you people. There's that much room on it. It's not even hard. How easy is this? Pretty straightforward. There's one bolt in. Where's the other bolt? Missing one bolt. No, where did you put the other long bolt? Oh, did you? God, useless, isn't he? What an idiot. Oh. There's the other one. Oh, there we go. Look at that. You can just do it all from the bottom, all from the top. This is, you just can't argue with this, can you? How beautiful is this? Okay, give it a bit of a hug. So that is the gap you're looking for the top bolt on the top side. So if you see there, just right between that water housing there. It's a bit tricky to see, but there where my socket is. That's what you're looking for. Because I know you're probably going to sit there like, where is it? Where's it hiding? Where is it? That's where it is. So that's what you need to take off. So I'm just putting it back on now, obviously. So I'm going to quickly bolt this up. I'll put the thing back on, see if it starts, and we'll get out of here. Oh look, you can see yourself on there, mate. Look at the phone.
Yeah. That's
pretty good, isn't it? So we go show them what's going on down here. We're just connecting the wires back up now.
Don't forget, there is 2 wires.
Try and get a good position for you. Oh, there we go. That's a bit better, isn't it? It's pretty good. Get the wires on there. The 2 big wires. Oh, that was rude. That's incredibly rude there, sir. Can you just do your job and get it done, mate?
Sorry.
That would be just swell. Thanks, mate.
Sorry, I shouldn't be messing around on the job.
Do you know what I mean? It's not what we do here today.
This is one of them jobs where your missus... Where did you learn to do that?
Oh yeah, that is one of them jobs. This is one of them jobs. Where did you learn how to do that?
Can you see?
Hang on, let's see. Let me go.
Main power done.
Well done.
Well done. Thank you. Thank you very much.
He's such a good boy, isn't he? Such a good boy.
Good boy.
Right, then also you got to stick your, obviously stick down the other wire, and then you're good. So we'll be back here when this is actually back to starting, because the exposure is currently terrible. So we'll be back. Doing up the little wire now. That's nice, isn't it? Look at that over a shot. That's good, isn't it? So there's your wires all connected.
Ignition.
That's the trigger wire.
Trigger.
Right, so see if this bad mama jammer actually starts now. What do you reckon, Harry? Do you reckon it's going to start?
It's going to start.
I don't know. Might
It's
not
gonna
though.
start.
What if you don't though?
Then you've installed it incorrectly.
Oh. How have I done that incorrectly? When he was...
Even though you can't install it incorrectly.
Yeah, you can't install it incorrectly unless you are an idiot. Don't be an idiot. That's the key rule of thumb here. Don't be an idiot today. Don't install it incorrectly. Or you're just an idiot. Bye-bye. Right, should we find out if this starts or not? Now it's all together. I'm going to do the honours here. Oh, goodness me. Holy cow, it's only got 50,000 miles on this thing. My days. Are you ready? Shall we find out? Okay, let's find out together. Ready? Hey! It's alive! That was probably quite annoying, but it runs now. That's nice, isn't it? They can drive the car now, look. A bit of throttle. That's nice, isn't it? She's a runner, she's a driver. And if you like that one, don't forget, hit that like, follow, share, subscribe. You may appreciate this video, especially if you try and do this yourself. It's very similar on all the cars around this age. The little petrols with the TU engines, I think they're called on these. Much love, peace out, see you on the next one.